Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today we're gonna be making an Afro swing. So Magic's just dropped a new song titled Bad Decisions and Foreplay, which is kind of my vibe. So without wasting time, guys, we're just gonna go right into our DAW and we're gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be remaking that beat my own way. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. All right, so I've used Audimi to convert the vocal, and let me just play what the vocal sounds like.
Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night.
I'm just gonna bring it to the tempo, and this song has like my kind of vibe, man. So yeah, like the Afro swing, dancehall kind of vibe. So I'm just gonna drag in my tempo, and I'm just gonna add some, some effects to the vocals.
Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind.
Yeah, then I'm just gonna add reverb.
Oh, your mind. I know they chat, I know they mind. Even if your love, who got the dime?
Started with like this hi-hat, this hi-hat bounce, something like turn on my metronome. So
baby girl,
let me just go. Yeah, so something like this. So then we have our snap. Then we have our clap. Yeah, so something like this. So let me just go in and just increase the velocity of everything, the snap. Yeah, so I think this is just like the whole. I'm just gonna use a swing of, let's say a swing of around 10%. But I'm just gonna add like some rim shots. Yeah. Yeah, so just just to play around with it. Yeah, so this is just like the whole vibe that was, that was going all through the song. So something like this.
baby girl, what's the vibe?
Let me bring down the vocals a little bit.
Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. Baby girl,
put that down. So I'm just gonna have this to hit really hard. So
baby girl,
it might not be the same, it might not be the same kick bounce.
baby girl, what's the vibe? Baby girl, what's the vibe?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go with this.
Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna put let's put my soft clipper.
Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single or your mind. I know they chat, I know they mind. Even if your love, who got the dime?
So I want to have like something like this.
Thinking about you all the night.
Yes.
Thinking about you all the night. Thinking about you all the night. Picture.
Yeah, so that's
Thinking
like
about
this.
you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single or your mind. I know they chat, I know they mind.
Yeah, so let's just go over to the bass, because if I can spend a lot of time here just trying to add a lot of stuff. So let's just go over to the bass, and I'm gonna be using this bass, and I think we're at the key of F. So yeah, let's just create our bass pattern.
Girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single or your mind. And
yeah, so something like this.
baby girl,
Hey,
what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone.
so let me send this back. I actually need the really low end of it. So let me try using Fab Filter, Saturn, and just try to boost in the low end. Let's see.
Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind.
Some nice blocks. So for those blocks, I'm gonna go over to Nexus. It might not be like the same, the same sound that was used, but something close to that. So I'm gonna go to Nexus, just go to the muted, the guitar, XP guitars, then the muted. I'm gonna be using this muted guitar. Where's the muted? Let's say I think it's muted clean. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this, and just create that pattern. And let's call this muted. So I'm just send this to my mixer and just give it this effect. Sits well. Down here we have
baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind with me that.
Then there's like a xylophone that was also playing, and for that I'm gonna go over to Nexus still, and let's go over to the plucked. So I think this digital xylophone, but we have to be on the key. So let's just make sure on the key. Yeah, so something like that. Let's put that down. So I think the intro started like this. Yeah, so but for me, I think I'm gonna add some nice chords to just go along with this or that.
Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single or you're mine. I know that.
Yeah, so yeah, we have that.
Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single or you're mine.
Play some
Baby
bass,
girl,
yeah.
what's the
So let's
vibe?
put
Thinking
this as
about
bass
you
2.
all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you.
Yeah, so let's just record that.
Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single or you're mine. I know that.
Yeah, so let's have that.
Baby girl, what's the vibe? Baby girl,
With our kick.
baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single or you're mine. I know they check, I know they mind. Even if your love who cut the time, me I just want a benja. Different style, make you sing melodies.
Hey, so yeah, I think this played all through. So I can start that as my bass, and I think that was just like everything that was playing on the song. Yes, I think I can use that. So we just have that. Yeah, yeah.
That's why me wanna draw you closer. Make bad decisions and public. Let's take some shots in my place, baby, yeah. That's why me wanna draw you closer. That's why me wanna draw you closer. That's why me wanna draw you closer. That's why me wanna draw you closer.
Yeah, so I just love that.
That's why me wanna draw you closer. Make bad decisions and public. Take some shots in my place. Cause we ain't gonna leave forever. That's why me wanna draw you closer.
Yes, I think
that's why me wanna draw you closer. Make bad decisions and public.
I think I can add like a transition.
Yo, yeah, oh, oh, yeah, yeah. Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single,
yeah,
or you're mine. I know they check, I know they mind. Even if your love who cut the time, me I just want a benja. Different style, make you sing melodies, so big. As you know.
I just listened to the song once and I was like, oh, this is my vibe. I can just flow along. So most of the things might not be, similar to what's in the song, but you guys get an idea, man. And if you're in the Patreon, you get access to this FLP. So once more, let's just listen from the top, guys.
Yo, yaka. Up, up. Yeah, we did. Baby girl, what's the vibe? Thinking about you all the night. Picture of your skin tone on me mind. With me that you are single, oh you're mine. I know they check, I know they mind. Even if your love, who got the dime? Me, I just want a benja. Different style, make you sing melody so bad. Let you know, you make my teeth shine. Not the tatito, 8 billion in the world, but all I want is you. Ain't nobody do like the way you do, and like you do. And if it
Yep, guys, so let me know how I did, if I did amazing, and let me know your thoughts. And if you're in the Patreon, definitely you're gonna get access to this FLP so you could play around with it. And if you're here to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is in the description of this video, so just click the link and you're gonna be welcomed with a lot of amazing stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.